Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock, and we'll take a look at other EVs as well, that is NIO, Rivian, Lucid, and Ford. So we had Fed speak today and all that great stuff that happened. I'm not going to go too much in detail on that because it doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter for the volatility that we got in the near term. So how about we start off over there? So if I go to the 5 minutes interval on Tesla stock, and you will see the same volatility, same fluctuation across all the stocks today when the Fed stuff started happening. This was right down over here. And before that, we pretty much remained choppy. That's how things goes during such days. And I'm going to turn on my tool, and you can see that early in the morning, well, when the market was running, when it just started, I mean, structure for very short duration stayed bullish and then thereafter turned bearish and continued to stay bearish in the bearish structure. We did turn green again, right, when the volatility started, and you can see the good moves that we got all the way up here, right, went all the way high up there, and then this is where the structure broke again and pretty much went back to the cloud, and right now structure has collapsed again on, well, Tesla right now. Now, what does it mean though? Like, so this is more for the day trading on the 5 minutes using this tool. Now, let's go to the daily interval first, right? So overall, on the daily interval, structure technically is still bullish, but this is showing us weakness. We'll take a look at hourly interval in just a second. The same level, now 235 area, as I have been saying, this is where previously high short volume percent came, right? And then let me just quickly turn that on as well, right? This is where we had the really high short volume percent came, break of chart happened, follow through with the high short volume, then a huge sell-off, and then constantly still rejecting at that very important level. And combine this together with, on the weekly interval, we have, let's go to the weekly interval, combine this with the structure on the weekly interval, we have this 200 weeks moving average right up there, right, as a overhead resistance on this thing. So this zone, as you can see, is still very much reacting and acting. Even Fed volatility came, you can use my tools to identify those day trading potentials, and even on the intraday or swing, however you like, you can still use the tool for any of the purpose based on what interval you are trading upon. Now, what do we make out of it from here on tomorrow? This level, you can see the wicks. I'm on the hourly interval right now, and you can see this sell-off still happening at that very level, right? So from here on, this still remains the level tomorrow, guys, 228. If we stay below this level tomorrow, this still has a room to continue to 223. And we also have our cloud. It's right now just rejecting through the cloud, and as tomorrow we are very close from losing this cloud, just testing the bottom end of that. But if we lose that, we stay below 228, this thing has a room to come down to 223, but that's the same level you are watching tomorrow, 228 and 20 cents for any upside. Otherwise, no, yeah, as we lose, this still has potential to cool off more, but that's still the level you are watching on Tesla, all right? Yeah, so definitely take partial profits up. These zones is the time to take partial profits, right? The place that we took down there, or the, the structure, if you took the position into this bullish structure when the structure turned bullish, right, even on the swing side, this is the time to take partial profits, right? So that's that. But yeah, so as I said, yeah, as long the next big move is only above 235 zone, that very area, right, that we are talking about. So but that's that. For tomorrow, as I said, level remains still the same, 228. Below this is, it can cool off more, and seems like, at least right now, yeah, price action looks like it's going to cool off more. All right, let's take a look at NIO. So NIO, poor thing, it got in the red structure, well, 5 days ago almost, and you can see we're just seeing a follow through on this to the downside. Unfortunately, $5.30, as I have been saying, below this, it's just, you can't do anything about it. And unfortunately, it's not, the strength is not there again on this thing. So that's it, guys. There's nothing else on this to talk about. Unfortunately, it just broke the structure again. You can still argue this blue box, but we'll have to see where the structure starts to establish itself again for any upside potential. Otherwise, no. Right now it's very weak, and we got some weakness 5 days ago that I just showed you on my structure, my tool. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Rivian, still rejecting overhead resistances, $13.66. It's not bullish. Yeah, it's just been trending lower, sideways, lower. Right now, I'm not seeing any upside strength on this. So unfortunately, no, this is not bullish. Lucid also broke the structure 3 days ago, and since then it's just been continuing to sell off. Yeah, unfortunately, no, it's not looking good, unfortunately. And yeah, yeah, you can still, you'll have to, you can try to use this trend line, but watch on the lower time frame the price action close to this trend line. So if I go to the 5 minutes interval, you will have to see where does this, the consolidation establishes itself and stabilizes. But you'll have to get above first one significant level. That is, right now that level is $3.70. Yeah, it's very weak. Ford, on the other hand, it's still going in that uptrend structure. So if I show you the structure here, we turned bullish 3 days ago, right? And it's been going up thereafter. So just testing again that overhead previous little bit highs here, selling off there a little bit, but as it's above 20 days moving average, it's still fine, and also above the level of $10.83 is still fine above that. So pretty much that's what we are watching on this. All right, well, let's see what Tesla brings us, guys. We do have on October 10th, I guess, Tesla's robotaxi event. Let's see if it brings some more life into it or before that. But yeah, like technically, it's still fine. Like we are not that badly selling off, but when Tesla really starts selling off, it starts selling off, and this is the critical level, right? That's the critical level. And at this point, it's all about if it's, yeah, it's like, is it going to come to 223, test 20 and 50 days moving average? And yeah, unfortunately, below that, we'll just have a lot more, lot more weakness if that happens. So, but anyways, we will see. We will see. All right. Anyways, guys, well, so that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.